Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And also, if anyone have doubts about the filling application of RRB PO or clerk, you can ask in my Telegram group. And also, I filled my application of RRB PO and that link is in description. So if you have any doubts, you can freely ask in my Telegram group. And let's go to our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 19. So as usual, daily in morning, revise the basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values and some vocabulary words. So daily in morning, revise basics of each subject and don't forget to revise the basics of any subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or grade up. And who are already preparing, they can prefer from Affairs Cloud or Study IQ. So daily in morning, give your time for reading daily current affairs. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video. And there is a live class from Adda 247 YouTube channel by Santosh sir daily in 8 am. So daily in morning, watch editorial video. And after that, attempt a clerk pre-exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas and a paper for the next day preparation. So on daily basis, attempt a clerk prelims exam. And after that, give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning for pre-level. So tomorrow for quant pre-level, watch basic level video for percentages topic. And also for reasoning pre-level, watch basic level videos for sitting arrangement topic. And we have many videos in YouTube for sitting arrangement. So tomorrow watch that videos. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule like practicing PDFs or attempting quizzes for your weak areas. And also we practiced many topics and also attempting quizzes. So revise all that once in afternoon, who are beginners. And after that, in afternoon, who are preparing for mains, give 1 hour for each practicing quant reasoning and English for mains preparation. So tomorrow for quant mains, watch a basic level video for partnership topic. And also for reasoning mains level, watch a basic level videos for syllogism topic for mains preparation. And also for English mains, watch a basic level videos for fillers topic. And give your time as much as possible for practicing mains level. And after that, for our mains preparation, give 1 hour for each reading computer awareness and banking awareness. And for banking awareness, tomorrow read money market topic from 74th page to 78th page. And also for computer awareness, read programming concept from 72nd page to 75th page. And these two PDFs are in our Telegram group, so read from that. And after that, in evening also, give your time for reading current affairs. And we completed May 1st week current affairs. So tomorrow read May 2nd week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, attempt PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking. And note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And also, I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And also, who are beginners, if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates. And thank you.